Looking for a hassle-free wastewater treatment solution for your farmhouse? Choose Waterneer Biokube. Sustainable, smart, and simple. Our fully automatic biocubes treat wastewater efficiently with no smell, no noise, and no nuisance. Our machines require no operators, just plug and play. Installation is easy and quick, and it even supports retro installation with old septic infrastructure. The treated water can be reused safely in gardens and for your green areas, helping you save fresh water. Many farmhouses trust Waterneer Biokube for their wastewater treatment. Compact, durable, built in India and for Indian homes. Transform your campus today. No smells, no noise, no sludge. Ready to upgrade? Visit waterneerbiokube.com or inquiry at waterneerbiokube.com for a free consultation. Like, subscribe, and comment Biokube Bliss for a special farmhouse discount.